Hey guys, just a quick review of the Rize ramp here. This is the 2 ramp set with the centerpiece, and just wanted to show you kind of like out of the box what it looks like and the parts that come with it. So this is one of the ramps, super high quality. We've got an RC car out here that we're gonna ramp on it here in a second. But I think it would be perfect for bikes, scooters, RC cars. Like, it's just wide enough for really all the above. George, you can try to ride that off of the ramp if you want to. You can maybe line it up and run it off of there, probably be easiest. But yeah, anyways, all the parts look great. Let me show you the bottom of this ramp here so you can kind of see what it looks like. Lots of support built into it. All right. Oh, cool, dude. That's all right. Probably have to work on the alignment on the RC car. Here, you may line it up real straight so you can just go right up it. Try to. All right, let's go. Cool. We'll work on getting some speed for it. Yeah, and then this comes with some wing nuts on it, which is perfect. And you can just loosen these up and put it together, which is what I'm about to do. And I'll shoot another video here in a second of it put together.